Hey, Al Williamson here. I want to go over this newest marketing school tactic for you to rent up your vacant Airbnbs, your vacant short-term rentals. This is something you can do real fast. I found myself stuck longer than I wanted to with one unit. I was wondering, why aren't I getting more traffic? I'm usually able to fill these things up really quickly using the first 9 tactics of of marketing school. But I learned this when I was experimenting here. I was try to update your listing everywhere online that references a current event. View your listing from their perspective. That's the thing. Think of it what their problems are. Okay. You want to address their current problems. You, they're all looking for solutions for what their problem is and what their questions are and how to get over their roadblocks. This is a quick before and after. I had one listing that looks something like this, had a pretty good headline, upstairs haven near heart of Midtown nightlife, and it's on I Street. Well, and I go on in the listing description to describe all the great cool stuff to do around. But right now, we're in the middle of a lockdown. None of those places are open. People have a different concern. So what worked pre-corona is not working during the lockdown, the stay-at-home order. I need to reference something else to get their attention. Right now here in Sacramento, we have this allergy season. People are have puffy eyes, sneezing, runny noses, all that. I'm referencing that. I changed my headline to purified air in Midtown dash relief for allergies. So I did that yesterday, and I went on to change my copy to be this one bedroom sports wonderful views and 2 air filtration systems to scrub out allergens. You'll be able to sleep deeply with less discomfort and sneezing. You'll arrive to a unit that's been properly sanitized with virus eliminating ozone, so you won't get anyone else's infection. So I'm going after the fear on them too. Big relief. You'll enjoy pillow top mattress, strong shower pressure, a 43-inch smart TV, plus you'll love the extended stay necessities. And then I close it, kind of doubling down on my anti-allergen pure air by saying, this is the perfect itch-free place to enjoy Sacramento. So I did that last night, got a booking today, and the problematic listing that I was embarrassed by went away. So the third thing is you want to update all your Airbnbs, Craigslist, and your website everywhere to make sure it reflects what's currently going on if you have a vacancy that's hard to get rid of. And the thing is, start from your guest point of view. Start thinking about their problems, questions, and roadblocks. Okay? If you want more tactics and even more ideas, well, check out 10 tactics to quickly fill your Airbnb furnished rentals with extended stay guests. You can pick it up at marketingschoolES.com, marketingschoolES.com. I hope that helps.